Silicon Valley, technology, art, green, and sustainability.
Hi, welcome to Silicon Valley Tech, Art, Green, and Sustainability. Today I'm going to be speaking with two companies and two people that are working in the new green economy. And Jane Jerome, Green Wren, and Chris Valverde with the Local 104 Sheet Metals. I'll let you explain the whole thing. Okay. So why don't you tell the audience what it is you guys do and the official name, the Local 104.
The official name is the Sheet Metal Workers Local 104 and Bay Area Industry Training Fund.
It's a long name.
It's a long name. And what it is a joint labor management trust that members of Local 104 and their signatory contractors each pay into a fund that provides training for its members. And so we train members, apprentices and journeymen in sheet metal, HVAC, layout, installation, fabrication, service, HVAC service, test and balance, CAD, welding, a number of different facets of the trade.
And Jane, Green Wren.
Green Wren supplies a variety of energy efficiency and green building products to several segments of the market, including those people who have a need for energy efficiency. We have a ice cold, which is a catalyst which improves air conditioning, refrigerant, and reefer truck efficiencies. And I focus also on some radiant barrier products, including Eco Stucco, a lime plaster that goes back thousands of years, and the Rain Screen Clips siding system.
And you said a lime plaster?
It's made from limestone.
Okay. And I did see some of that at the U.S. Green Building Council event just recently. It's beautiful.
Yes, Eco Stucco is a product, the lime plaster, which goes back literally thousands of years. So it's a very old technology, but it has use in the modern world because it's very energy efficient and helps prevent buildings from getting hot in the summertime. And it also allows for a vapor permeable barrier, so it protects the building envelope.
So a little bit in your backgrounds. Have you always worked in this industry, or is this a new industry to you, or?
Well, I was a sheet metal apprentice when I was 19 years old, so I've been in the trade for 33 years. So there's a lot of new innovations that have come along, and a lot of it's stuff that we have been doing all along as far as energy efficiency goes. Proper sealing of duct work, etc.
And the Local 104, how long have you been with them?
104?
Working, yeah.
In this position, I've been a training coordinator for the last 2.5 years.
Okay.
I was an instructor here for 14 years.
Wow, okay. And Jane?
Well, I took a degree in business and marketing a number of years ago and spent most of my early career working in print advertising sales. When I worked at a local home improvement magazine as the associate publisher, it was during that Enron energy problems we had in 2001. I got interested in green building and started going to trade shows and learning more about it. And it's something I really have a passion for, since I think I've been an environmentalist since the very first Earth Day. And it's something that I decided to go into professionally several years ago and move the focus from print into the building industry.
So the first Earth Day you were like 2?
Well, a little older than that.
Well, you look young. And so we actually met years ago. I think it was the Today Home magazine.
Yes, I was working at Today's Home at that time.
Yeah, and you had been there quite a while. So you've worked with contractors and builders and designers for quite a long time. And so the shift into having your own business has been an interesting one. And I think that it finally feels like there's kind of an upswing starting now in the economy. And you're probably looking for more clients to rep as well.
Yes, I'm trying to do a good job for the clients that I have. When I launched my business, it was at the beginning of the recession, which was an imperfect timing. But remember those toys, Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. So I picked myself up and moved the focus from extremely expensive luxury building materials, whether that's solar installations or an expensive siding system, to things that are more energy efficient, because right now in the marketplace, people want to save money. Still, although the economy's picking up.
So I'm going to ask you guys a little bit about the U.S. Green Building Council. I know you were at the event this last week, and that's how we met.
Yes.
And I pulled your name out of the hat of a winner for coming on the show. And so you guys are involved with the U.S. Green Building Council. Tell us how you're involved and what you guys are doing in the green building space.
Well, we're a member, of course, and try to make all the local chapter meetings that I can. And we have also helped sponsor some of the events occasionally that they have. And just try and keep on top of what's going on and letting our contractors and our members know different events that the Green Building Council has going that they may be of interest to them.
And is there a lot of new technology that you're using that's kind of a greener technology?
Well, a lot of the things that we've done will fit into that green technology, whether, like I said, it's proper sizing, proper installation. All those things save energy. There are some new things out there, but working with metal, metals are recycled, and so there's some new stuff out there, but a lot of it is basic things, getting back to the basic, proper installation,
so
etc.
It's the cut once, measure twice, that if you install right and you measure right, that it's gonna do good for you in the long run.
I think it's measure twice, cut once.
Measure twice, cut once. Just reverse that. I'm a little tired today. And Jane, I've known you for a while again, and I think I might have roped you. It might have been me that roped you into helping found the U.S. Green Building Council Northern California chapter, Silicon Valley branch. If I don't say all that, I'm going to get in trouble. So. So you're one of the founding members, for the Silicon Valley branch as of two years ago this month, and I can't believe it's gone by so fast. Tell us a little bit about your involvement in the U.S. Green Building Council and the green building space.
Well, it's certainly been a privilege to serve as a volunteer on the program committee, and as you know, the program committee is involved in deciding what the focus of the monthly event will be, and because each month is an educational event, we try to reach a wide variety of different aspects of the building and of the U.S. Green Building Council's areas of concern, whether that's water preservation or indoor air quality, material reduction, and the various other prongs of LEED point systems. So it's been a lot of fun. We've got to meet a lot of very interesting people at the cutting edge of technology and tour some fantastic buildings. And being here in Silicon Valley, it's wonderful because really Silicon Valley does lead the nation, and Northern California is where the USGBC got its start back, 25 years ago. So we're still showing people how it can be done and helping change the world.
Yeah, the world is looking in on us for sure. New technology. Is there some new technology that you want to share that you've been representing or that you see coming up the pipe for green building space?
Well, some technologies that seem new go back thousands of years, and then there's some new things that come along. The one thing I'm most excited about, and Chris might get excited about too, is ice cold, which is a catalyst, and it's used in compressor systems. It's only been around 8 years, and it improves energy efficiency of air conditioners, refrigerators, and reefer trucks by 10 to 20%, and it reduces electric bills up to 30%. So I'm really excited about it. It's like putting synthetic oil in your car. It keeps the gunk from clinging to the side of the coils, and so the system, the air conditioner, will chill more quickly, and so it operates less, and that's how it improves energy efficiency. And it's just one of those little things. When we attended the Green Summit, we met that venture capitalist who'd written the book, what's it called, about Addicted to Oil, I believe it is, or Addicted to Energy. And it's all these little tiny things in aggregate. If we can save 5% here, 15% there, it all adds up to something that's really substantial in terms of reducing greenhouse gases and improving the health of everybody around us as well.
Yeah, yesterday when I got a tour of your facility, you showed me this, it was like a house built, the bare bones, and you had kind of the pressure here and pressure here, and there was red on this side and green on this side, and I said, so is that the one that's bad and this is the one that's good? And it showed kind of the difference in good heating and air conditioning systems and bad, and how the pressure will be lost. And tell us a little bit about that and how that came about.